Hi friends, it's Mia here. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing Peppa at the bowling alley getting a big strike. In this video, it's all about rolling the ball and knocking down pins. Grab your crayons and paper, let's draw together. Are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! And if you love drawing and fun stories, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Let me tell you what happened in this story. Peppa, George, Danny Dog, Grandpa Pig, and Granddad Dog go to a bright, shiny bowling alley. First, a funny thing. Everyone must take off their shoes and wear special bowling shoes. They look a little silly, but that's the rule. Danny shows how to play. Pick a ball, roll it, and try to knock down the pins at the end of the lane. Roll, thump, crash! 2 pins fall. Good shot, Danny. Grandpa Pig is excited. He rolls his ball. Buzz! Oh dear, he misses all the pins. It's only a game, he says with a smile. Peppa tries a ball that's too heavy. Oof! She swaps to a lighter one, rolls it nice and straight. Boom! All the pins fall. A strike! Everyone cheers. Now it's George's turn. He's small, so Miss Rabbit brings a little ramp. George rolls from the ramp. Strike again. The crowd goes, "Hooray, George!" Guess what happens when Grandpa Pig tries again? He says it's not about winning, it's about taking part. He lines up his shot, rolls, the ball zooms down the lane. Will the Skittles all tumble this time, or will Grandpa miss again? What do you think happened next? If you think Grandpa finally got a strike, give this video a big like. But that's not all. After bowling, Peppa and friends also go to a roller disco. They skate round and round while Madame Gazelle plays music. She even does fancy disco moves with flashing skates. Wow! Then Peppa visits a quiet clubhouse with a jukebox. Everyone takes turns picking music. Rock and roll, disco, hip-hop, even heavy metal with Grampy Rabbit. The room goes from quiet to dancing feet and big smiles. And later, there's a muddy festival. The rain makes muddy puddles. Miss Rabbit says, "Mud castles today." The children build, paint with mud, and sing a puddle song. Daddy Pig makes the biggest splash of all. Ready to hear what really happened at bowling? Grandpa Pig rolls the ball. It glides, it spins. Strike! Every single pin falls down. Grandpa jumps and shouts, "I got a strike!" He's so happy, so he tells everyone again and again. So in our drawing, we'll show Peppa at the lane with the pins flying and the scoreboard saying strike. George is beside her with his little ramp, proud of his strike too. Danny claps, Granddad Dog smiles, and Grandpa Pig is cheering with his hands in the air. That's the story of how this drawing happened. Keep drawing and coloring with me. The final picture will look like a real bowling win. did amazing! Today we drew Peppa getting a strike at the bowling alley and learned it's fun to try, cheer our friends, and keep going. And if you love fun stories and art, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next video. See you next time, friends! Bye!